Christmas for Jacqui Tyson thanks to COVID fading fast. This just one of several spreads she's laying on for the festive season.
There's no laid back when it comes to Jamaican Christmas. You either have the classic, and everybody's going to go out fully in the pancettas and the reds. Or you have the new trending, I call them free rangers, the new 20-somethings who are now hosting the dinner for the rest of the family. And their trends are really, they're following, like fashion. And the color of the season is rose gold and pink.
When it comes to chowing down your Christmas dinner, your Boxing Day meal, is it traditional or people moving in different directions?
I think for us, we always come back to the traditional. There's always going to be that ham. There's going to be that roast chicken. There's going to be that potato salad. There's going to be that gungo peas, green gungo peas, whether it's in a stew, whether it's in rice and peas, the mac and cheese, baked mac and cheese, not the one you just toss in the box and fix up. Corn. I mean, there's just some things that are going to remain constant, regardless of whatever the setting is.
As a chef, what's special for you about Christmas?
It's enjoying things like, that plum pudding with a brandy sauce, the ham that you don't get any other time of the year but at Christmas. So for me, when I cater, I try to bring that preservation of those things to people's homes. And we're probably one of the few caterers that actually cook for you on Christmas Day.
What's your signature touch for a Christmas meal?
We have a thing called sweet potato yum yum, which is a variation of the candied sweet potato. And of course, I cannot do enough Christmas ham.
You feeling the Christmas breeze? You're getting in the Christmas mood? Or, things are a little draggy for you?
Everything is spiraling. Decor came out early. The food is in a frenzy. Stock is in the supermarkets at a cost. But it is a time for us, even if it's for that one day, to bring the family together after all we've gone through. COVID, so many different turmoils, all the unhappy things to come to one happy moment this Christmas.
Lots of low-budget people out there can't afford Christmas, Jacqui. You think we spare enough thought for the people who maybe can't lay on that fabulous spread?
Well, listen, what I find, it's sometimes not too much into the food, but it's into the gathering. People everywhere going to gather. Whether it's just doing a chicken, everybody's going to have a Christmas special. All our fast food outlets. But it's that coming together. Do what you do best and bring it to the table this Christmas.